Dear banker friends, I am going to share previous year's memory recall questions those were asked in CIB exam. In order to offer you maximum benefit, I have segregated all questions chapter wise. So without wasting your precious time, let's begin with chapter number 2. Retail banking. Chapter number 2. Retail banking. Role within the bank operations. Question number 1. The business models for retail banking show interesting revelations across types of banks. The models adopted by banks vary among the public sector, private sector, and foreign banks. Which of the following are the main approaches followed? Answers are strategic business unit, SBU approach, departmental approach, integrated approach, part of the overall business plan. Question number 2. Dash are autonomous divisions, small enough to be flexible and large enough to exercise control over most of the factors affecting its long-term performance. Answer is strategic business units. Question number 3. The dash is a specialized functional approach within an organization. This approach segregates the functions of the organization into departments such as accounting, marketing, finance, planning, etc. Answer is departmental approach. Question number 4. Public sector banks in India generally have adopted the dash as the retail banking business model. Answer is departmental approach. Question number 5. The suitability of a business model or approach of a bank depends upon dash. Answers are corporate strategy, business objectives, business mix. Last question. Business model of retail banking are being drawn based on various aspects. Context: which one of the following aspects is correct? Answers are product, delivery channels, technology. Friends, if you wish to get more actual memory based questions with answers, please write me in comment section. I request you to like and share my videos to banking fraternity who are really aspire to crack CIB exam. Also, please do subscribe my channel to get notification of my new videos. Thank you very much.